That is a big Shirley. Yeah, this one's a big Shirley. Yes, sir. She is a big Shirley. Second fish for the day. Pull it back to where you start working it back towards the bait.
Right next to you. That's small.
Yeah, that was small, but gotta have 7. She's small, but I gotta have 7.
I know it's a fish.
Is it a fish? Oh yeah, bring him on in here, man. Bring him on in there, boy. You hung in a fish mouth. That's what you hung on, boy. Tell me. You don't need me. You don't need me to help you.
I thought it was hung because it felt like heavy.
What is happening, YouTube? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and I am out here on Clark's Hill with
Jordan.
I was wondering what you was doing. With my Grand Nephew Jordan. Say hey to the folks, man.
Hi.
What are we doing today? What are we going to do today?
Fishing.
How's it going so far?
Good.
Good so far? How old are you? Tell folks how old you are.
11.
All right, 11 years old. So, when the last time you came out here with me? We
I don't know.
We fished a little while ago, and he caught a good amount of fish. So we're gonna see if we can put some fish in the boat with Jordan today. And as always, folks, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. My Grand Nephew Jordan, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. She gonna make the cut. She is going to make the cut. Yes, sir. She'll make the cut. It's small, but she'll make it.
Are we frying fish?
You want to fry them?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll fry some fish for dinner today then.
Look at all those fish. I don't
I've done it a whole lot longer than you have too, though. So, you know, you just ain't helping me out with my channel today. Telling me I gotta do all the work. Huh?
Yeah.
There's another decent sized fish. I don't know how many we got, but I think you were trying to hustle me earlier, man. Talking about you don't know how, you don't remember how to fish, how to cast. What'd you say?
Fish.
Yeah. Well, you casting real good. I'm gonna back up a little bit. Got him?
Yeah.
Get him on out of there, Jordan. Get him on out of there. Oh, boat flip him.
Another one gone for the win.
Nice one.
My hand is ready.
Got him! Got him! Bring him on up out there, Jordan. Oh, that's a nice one. Swing him! Get him over the boat. Get him over the boat. Now that's a big Shirley, man. That's a big Shirley.
Big Shirley move a lot.
That's a big Shirley, Jordan.
No, I'm a big one. See me.
Fish in the bucket. In the line. Count. Let's see how many we got. We got 12.
No?
12. Got him. I seen him come all the way out and get you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what?
She ain't that big, but she was good. She was good.
I think there might have been a second fish following because it looked big at first.
Big enough.
It's small.
Let me see that fish. That fish about 10 inches. Let me look. Hold it up. Let me see.
Probably like 5.
9 inches. I'm not talking too much smack. Is that what it is? Like you don't know how to fish.
Then like
Oh, we got another one.
twice in.
That's
Small.
That's
It
not
feels
small.
small.
That ain't small. That's a good fish, man. What are you talking? You done got bougie on me. You done started catching fish, folks. Now you're getting bougie on an 11-inch fish. She ain't no Shirley, but she gonna make the cut.
I can't.
You got it?
I'll have to put it in the boat.
bully you, Jordan. I got him for you. I got him for you. I seen him when he came and got you. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please, come on. What am I talking about? She, ouch, God dog it, she's fat. I stuck my finger. Ouch. Nice fish. I'm saying that my she ain't big. Oh, yeah, she's nice. She gonna make a Shirley. That's a big Shirley. Yeah. Oh, I probably should have let him. Get him over the boat. Get him over the boat. When they big like that, when you see them big like that, tell me to get the net.
Okay. Yeah, it was like in there and then it started swimming around over here, right next to the boat. Ew. Is this a big Shirley?
Let me see. Yep, that's a big Shirley.
Big Shirley, guys.
That's a big Shirley. Oh, got it. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Big Shirley?
Yep, that was a Shirley. Keep it up in front of the camera. God dog it. Now I done got hungry again.
Look at this big Shirley, guys.
Air your grievances. Got him that time, Jordan. We need net on this one too. That might be catfish. Oh, no, that's not catfish. But the net's that big. What's up? What's that noise? Go ahead, push him with you.
He's been trying to call me.
Nice fish right there, folks. All right, YouTube, that's going to wrap up another episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Jordan, what you got to say, man? What you got to say?
Subscribe and turn on notifications.
All right, did you have a good time, man?
Yes, I had a very good time.
Good. How many fish we got down there?
24.
24. We got a 24 piece right here, folks. So, as always, folks, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves these comments, and everybody who shares the content. As always, to my subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Jordan, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.